Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a fabulous makeup kit together. Are you ready to get creative? Grab your pencils and paper, and let's get started. Start by drawing a tall bottle for nail polish. Next, draw a short, fat bottle for foundation. Easy peasy. Now, let's add a tiny pot for face powder. Now, let's draw some long, fluttery eyelashes to make our eyes pop. No makeup kit is complete without a fancy lipstick. Let's draw a sleek tube. Time to draw the star of the show, our beautiful makeup box. Make it big and glamorous. Now every makeup artist needs their tools. Let's draw some brushes peeking out of our kit. Don't forget the hair. Draw a handy comb to keep those locks looking perfect. You're doing amazing! And last but not least, let's draw a shiny mirror on top of our makeup box to admire our creations. Wow, look at that! Our makeup kit looks absolutely fabulous! Great job, little artists! Now, it's time to color it in and let your imagination run wild! You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until makeup kit complete. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until makeup kit complete. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until makeup kit complete. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until makeup kit complete. Wow, look at that! Our makeup kit looks absolutely fabulous! Great job, little artists! Thanks for joining us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!